So everything that you're seeing here, the complete projects collection, the categories collection with multi-reference fields, I built this entire CMS with Framer's AI agent in a few minutes. In the last video, we built this entire thing manually, but this time I handed it over to Framer's AI agent. And to be honest, things didn't go as planned all the way through, but that's the best part of this video, not gonna lie. Let's get into it. Open CMS panel by going to the drop down on the top left corner. But this time, instead of me clicking through every single field, I'm just handing it straight to the Framer agent. It's right here on the side panel. I'm not going to use Claude Code or any other external tool, only what's built right into Framer. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm prompting agent to build out the whole projects collection in one go. Name, slug, cover image, description, project link. And I'm letting the agent figure out the whole structure on its own. And let's see if it will actually select the correct field type for them. And there it is. Every single field's there. And it's also right type. And it's done in one shot. If you saw the last video, you know exactly how long this took me by doing this on my own manually. Now next I'm asking it to add a category field onto what's already there. Clean again. Honestly, did not expect it to go that smoothly this early in, but it's going in the right way. First, easy option. I just ask it to make up some sample projects so there's actually something on screen. Three projects, fully written out, actually believable too. Would I send this exact copy to a client? No way. But as a placeholder to design around, honestly, pretty good. But sample data is not what you actually want on a real project. So let's do this properly this time, with the CSV of some mock data. Quick look at the sheet first. Headers match with fields, and each row contains a project which will be added as an item in the projects collection. Now notice, I left two columns empty on purpose here, cover image and category. Image because I want to pick the photo myself to control the quality and resolution setting. And category, well, you're about to see exactly why. So now I just tell the agent to import the sheet, headers as fields, rows as items, and let it map everything over on its own. And here's the part that actually makes this video worth watching. Everything came in perfect except category. I left that column blank on purpose, remember? And the agent just did not like that because it filled it every single project with same category, web design. All five, whether it actually made sense or not. It created some categories on its own too, but I never added them in CSV. I left it completely blank. But see, it left image field perfectly like how I wanted it to, completely blank. So everything else is perfect except one little mess up. So let's fix this mistake by agent the right way, by asking it to create a real categories collection, not just a guess. So I'm prompting it to first clear out what's it actually autofilled that I did not ask it to do. Then I actually tell it what I want this time. A real categories collection, 5 category names, my own this time. And I want to link it back to the projects as a multi-reference again. Because obviously a project can fall under more than one category. This time, clean, real categories, mine this time, and fields genuinely multi-reference now instead of a guess. Last step here is manual on purpose. So I'm clicking into each project myself and deciding which category actually apply. The agent built the structure for me, but the actual decisions still mine to make. And the last piece, the one I held back from the start. real cover photos uploaded by me. Same reasoning as before, honestly. And this is the one thing I actually wanted full control over. So here's my honest opinion after actually using it. I think Frame has done a fantastic job with AI agent, really impressed. Although there was one slight little mess up, but honestly, for how much manual work it saved me, I think that small little mistake is no problem at all. So that's the CMS completely built using Framer's AI agent. And if you want to see how that actually turns into complete pages, like index page, details page, and how to add it on to your different parts of your other pages, you can see this video in which I go through the fundamentals to the newest updates along with building the complete CMS. And definitely subscribe to the channel because more AI agent videos are coming soon.